Ni wakati His Excellency Deputy Governor wetu sasa yuko tayari. Sasa tokea leo points.
And we want to encourage the residents of Uasin Gishu to ensure that in case any visitor comes around who is known to have been outside this county, they should tell us so that we determine if they are coming from an area where it has had a lockdown and they have left that place mischievously, we shall hand them over to the government. But we have to test them first.
For mothers especially, we usually advise them to, if they don't have any complications, to go and deliver in the nearest health facility or a facility of choice, and they are able to be referred to MTRH in case there are complications.
We felt that there is need to put this screening center at strategic entry points. And one of the points is actually an Apkoi where we are, so that whoever enters Uasin Gishu is safe and does not endanger the people of Uasin Gishu.